Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9, and in this video I am going to show you how to send group text message on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our messages, and now right here we have to click on the start chat and we have to create a group. Here we have to choose who we want to send our message to, and we have to click next. We can name our group, but it's optional, so you don't have to do this. And when you are done, right here you can just type your message and then send it to them. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!